Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Amanda with you. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm in my kitchen. I hope to show you how I do snail. Okay, snail, we call it akiko in Yoruba, and what do they call it now? Akiko in Yoruba, and then snail in English language. Okay, some people in pidgin, I don't know if it's pidgin, just in vernacular, it's called Congo meat. So that's what I'll be showing you how I'll do today. I'm in my kitchen right now. Hopefully the process is I show you how to do it. We just got from the market yesterday. I'll show you how I go about breaking, the shelling, cooking and spicing and so on. So if that what you're watching, please do not go. These an already broken snail. This I broke it with this pestle here. So those of you who do not know what snails, these are small snails, they're not big ones. These are the ones that I will be working on today. So it started already before I decided that it would be proper if I show you guys how I make snail. So I'll just hit the pestle because it's quite small. That's how I do it. And then these are the already broken ones. These are the ones I've already broken. Okay, the ones I've already broken. The ones that are broken and broken as well. It's still in the bag so that it doesn't mess the whole place up. So I'll show you how far I get to go on it. This still is the continuation of the snail making. Now I'm sure for those of you who do not know, what's it called, snail is usually so slimy. So these are the ones I'm still working on. The shell, I'm taking off the shell from here and then I'm putting them here. See the ones that these are small snails, they are not really big ones. These are the only big ones that we have here. So it's still the process of trying to make the snail. I don't have any particular thing that I'm going to make the snail with it. I'll just show you how far. So this is the snail. Okay, I broke it with a pestle, take it out from the shell like this, and then put here, and then I'll wash with alum. Okay, this is my alum. This is the alum that I have. It's in a nylon bag. Okay, that's what I'll use to wash it. So this is what I'm going to wash it. So guys, later I'll see you later. Washing time now. This is my alum that I'll be using to wash it. Alum, it removes the slime from the snail. So I have two big ones, two bigs and two big alum. Just put water into your snail, and this is how I basically wash my own. I don't know if there are other patterns that people use. Please leave it in the comment section below if you know of any other pattern that we can use to wash our alum and our snail, that we can use to wash our snail. So as you put the alum into it like this, you find out that the slimy nature or the slimy whatever of the snail begins to go out. Okay, so as you wash, if you notice now, this thing is not so slimy at all again. It's not like we just started washing and it's already like this. So you wash. Some people use lime, yes, some people use lime to wash their snails. Others use alum. I choose alum because it's easier, it's faster. I even hear they use alum to purify water. So if you have water that is not so pure, supposedly, when you put alum into it, I hear it can purify. What's it called? It can purify water. So this is the next stage that I want to show you guys. Hopefully, I'll carry you guys along later. This is my the pestle I use. I'm washing in my sink. Okay. So I should carry you guys along as much as we're done washing. If you notice now, the slime in the snail is not so intense. I'll still wash, the alum is still here. So what I'll do is just to try to open the snails like this. Okay, I'll open as many that I can because it's quite stressful, so I'm not going to do a lot of it. Just open the big ones and the small ones as well. So this is what I'm doing. Alright, so by the time I open, I'll do some cutting here and there, and then I'll show you the next stage, which hopefully will be spicing up and putting on fire and thereafter doing what I need to do with it. Alright, hope you guys enjoy so far. Please, if you enjoy, please give me a thumbs up. Do you eat snail? Okay, I hear it's really nutritious. For those who are sick, I hear they tell them that in Nigeria here though that they can take eat snails, and some pregnant women have even been told to take there's a fluid from inside of it, or white fluid they've been told to take. So leave in the comment section below. Leave in the comment section below how you do eat snail. If you eat snail, is this how you prepare it? Okay, so I'm done washing with the alum. Now I'm done washing with the alum. In this part of Nigeria where I come from, we call it Congo meat. Congo meat. Snail, English name, Congo meat. Urobo, I don't know if it's Urobo, so that's what they call it. So I'm going to add Maggi cube to it now. My plan is to steam. I didn't add water to it, take note. So I'm adding Maggi cube. Yeah. I'm also going to add some grinded pepper. This is how I want to steam my own shell. So everybody differs. Adding grinded pepper. Give me your hand. I'm adding grinded pepper to it. Spicy pepper. I'm also going to add cayenne pepper. All these ones is just to bring out flavor. Cayenne pepper. Is it cayenne? Please leave the right pronunciation if you can. Do I have paprika as well? Okay, so all these things is just to spice it up. You use all these things for stew, but I want to use them for my snail as well. From the snail as I prepare it. Okay, so the next I'm adding white pepper. Because I intend to use it for stew. Give me that one. And then I'll put black pepper as well. So this one is bobo the show. In this small snail, someone is saying, but that's what I intend to do. Give me the salt there, and then I'll add small salt to it. Add a little bit of salt, and then I'll add a little bit of salt to it. I don't take too much salt. I used to use pink salt. For some time now I've not used it, so I'm adding white salt. Add a little to it. So lastly, I'm going to add my onion to it. Okay, just slicing one small blob of onion to it, and voila, the process with which I want to steam my snail is ready. So I'm slicing now. The guy is helping me to hold the camera. That's why it's like this. I'll slice. And this is how it is. Voila. I'll put on the fire. Stop. It's on now. Our snail is on fire. So I'll cover. I will not add water on it. I will not add water to it. I'll just cover it. And then the end product is frying. If it's whatever, I'll show you guys. Let's report of our snail. The steaming. The snail is steaming. Okay, so still on fire. I didn't add any water. It's just water from the washing that we have in it right now. So far so good. Later, snail is ready. So I'll be frying it. Okay, so my snail is ready. I'll be frying this cooked snail. See very well. Cooked snail. I'm gonna bring it out so you can see. This is cooked snail. I'm frying. Alright, I'm frying the plantain, right? So I'll show you guys later. Guys, so I'm about to fry the snail. I'm about to fry the snail. Just let it put the onion. Let it simmer for a couple of time. This one is to give sense to the snail. Okay? So let it go. Might not leave it for a while, not for so long, because it's gonna be in the oil for some time. Just to bring out the scent, then I have my snail here. Okay? My snail, so I just The plan is to mix two with it, because that onion there is to give it a little bit of nice scent as it were. It's on fire frying. I showed you how I put the onion in for scent, so hopefully you get to see the end product of my snail. The plan is to make stew, okay, with the fried snail. I get to do it, I'll show you guys. Alright, so the scent here is heavenly. It's scenting so good. Alright, the plan is to, alright guys, alright, so the plan is to fry it dry, really dry. Again, the scent here, the scent is heavenly. It's heavenly. I wish you can be here to see how heavenly the scent is. I'll show you the end product of my snail later, guys. So this is the end product of my fried snail. It looks yummy, and tasted excellently well. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching. You enjoyed watching how I'm still in my kitchen. Okay, I just finished the whole process. I hope you enjoyed watching how I make my fried snail. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like a big thumbs up. Comment below what you call snail in your language. Comment also if you love eating snail, and do all those good stuff they do on YouTube channel. Share, like, which is comment, which is give a thumbs up, okay? And then if you're watching, you don't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I get to see you in another bomba video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.